Okay, so we video for shotgun. Slightly different from the other versions. What we're going to do is leave 4 seconds between each chord, just so it's easier to get from the C to the F, to the A minor, and to the G. So, after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we'll just try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you might want to do is rewind the video, play through those parts a good few times until you're confident with the changes, especially from the C to the F, A minor, and the open G. Now this part of the video we're going to take out the 4 count in between, but again only after you've practiced and gotten used to the changes. So give this part a wee try. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And F, A minor, sets exactly the same. C, F, A, G. Last set. C, F, A minor, and G. So if there's any questions, we'll get a wee chat during the live video and we'll go through exactly what we've played in this video. Bye.